What's up, family, and welcome back to another YouTube video. I know I have not posted in a while, and that is only because I have not taken a trade in a couple of days due to high impact news. So I usually stay out of the market because I've had my fair shares with high impact news, and I do not want any more parts of that. So, and that being said, I'm gonna dive into this trade. I did take two trades. One was London session, one was New York session, but I'm honestly just gonna go over the New York session, only because the London session trade that I took, I made about $50, and I kind of just got in, got out. Obviously, I stuck to my rules, stuck to my trading plan, stuck to my strategy, didn't gamble when it came to that trade, but I'd rather just show you guys this New York session trade because this one I feel like was better than the London session trade that I took, which got me $50. This one made me about 250, so I'm up about three something on the day. But let's dive into it. And another thing, I am just getting over a cold, so my voice might sound a little scratchy. My voice was gone for like 3 straight days, bro. Like crazy work. But let's get into it. As you guys know, I mark out all of my liquidities. What is my liquidities that you ask? I mark out my 4-hour highs, my 4-hour lows, as you guys can see, and then I scale down, mark out my hourly highs, hourly lows. So let me mark this one out right here for you guys. But yeah, so mark out my hourly highs, mark out my hourly lows, and then my 15-minute liquidity. So we only had one 15-minute draw a liquidity. So that's what I had marked out, and that's what I ended up targeting. Because we had came up and swept out hourly plus 4-hour liquidity during market open. So I was looking for sales. Let me get this off the way for you guys. So I was looking for sales. So as we came up during market open, swept out this hourly, swept out this 4-hour liquidity, we started making legs down. So after we started making legs down, I was waiting for like a 5-minute retracement. So I marked out these swing highs right here, boom, down to these swing lows. Swing highs down, yeah, down to these swing lows. We ended up pushing back up, wicking out equilibrium. So that was basically enough confirmation for me to scale down into the 1 minute. After we got this candle closed, I didn't just scale straight down into it. I was waiting for this candle to close bullish before I scaled down into the 1 minute. So after it closed, I scaled down to the 1 minute, waiting for that break of structure, which we ended up getting very late, which is why I only made 250 today. On this New York trade, because I was waiting for us to break structure right here off of this low, but as you guys can see, we did not close until down here, which this is where I got in. So this is why the trade was really only like a 1-to-1. I caught about 52 ticks, stop loss 50 ticks, so it was basically like a 1-to-1. So yeah, I would say that's about it for the trade. I feel like it was a pretty solid trade, when it comes to my psychology, being patient, being able to control my emotions in this trade. Obviously, there's always room for improvement, always room for growth. That's why we have the trading journal. So this is probably what I'm going to go over and go through today. Journal the trade, go through past trades just to see the growth, see if I'm progressing or digressing. I forgot how you know what I'm trying to say. If I'm either going forward or I'm going in reverse. So that's about it for this. Also, I am gonna drop another video. It's kind of like a older video, like 2-3 days ago. I made that video and just never got around to posting it. So you guys will see that video on my YouTube as well. So please check that video out. Please like, comment, subscribe, share it out. Do whatever you got to do. Along with going into next year, we are in crunch time, y'all. So I might not be taking a lot of trades towards the end of the year. But I might keep you guys updated. If not, you guys just won't see me out here posting. But next year is really crunch time, and I'm getting closer and closer to passing this funded account. So you guys will see more videos And hopefully next year, or not hopefully, you will see my videos get better and better along with my trading. And I'm not going to be on here really rambling. I'm going to be on here telling you guys some actual valuable information. So that's about it for this little trade recap. So like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for tomorrow. Might take a trade. Who knows? Depending on what news. I have to check out news, but I will see y'all then. Peace.